Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Griffin here. We got Amtrak 48, very late, like 2 hours and 9 minutes late. But at least we're able to catch him, because I wouldn't have been able to catch him earlier if he came at 12 o'clock and stuff because I was busy, but at least he's late so I can catch him at least now. And that was him who just blasted. He just blasted before he hit the camera to try to warn us. Almost thought I heard him do it again. He's a nice, great K5LA on him, it sounds like. Here he goes. Haven't caught in that unit in a while, 88. But there he goes with 88.